Akash, hi. So everyone, let us start today's lecture. Good morning all. Let us start today's lecture. Yeah, hi everyone joining here. So you are able to hear my voice. Madhura, hi. Akash, hi. So you're able to hear my voice. You're able to hear my voice and this here the board is visible completely. Right. Now we are going to learn about the sphere concept and tetrahedron. Okay. Everyone, Kaustubh, hi sir. Good morning. Good morning. Sarita Patil, Akash, everyone. So good morning all. Now today we are going to complete this chapter that is 3D geometry. I'm going to finish this today. So let us solve some problems based on that. Yesterday I was explaining about sphere concept, correct? I'm explaining about the equation of the sphere. I was explaining about the concept of equation of the sphere. Equation of sphere equation. That here circle is in 3D, okay, 2D. So circle equation you will learn in 2D equation, but sphere in 3D. Sphere always we learn in 3D. Okay. So what is the sphere equation? Yesterday I explained you there are two types of equations of the spheres will be there. So sphere will be which shape here? Just I am recalling that yesterday's concept. That is sphere is in the shape of ball, like a ball, football, volleyball, or plane. Suppose planets. These are the sphere shape. Sphere is suppose 0, 0, 0. Any point on the sphere is x, y, z. Then yesterday I explained you equation of the sphere. Tushar, hi. Sarita Patil, hi. Nikita K, visible. Right. Aryan Shalun K, right. So here, what I want to say here, the equation of the sphere. I am talking about the equation of the sphere here. Now, you have a sphere and the center of the sphere is 0, 0, 0 and the point on the sphere is x, y, z. You know the distance of the center from this point is called radius. Call that is radius. The distance from the center to any sphere. The distance from the center to any point on the sphere, that is called the radius, correct? So the radius is equal to here will be distance formula using, that is x square, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus z square, z minus 0 whole square, distance formula applying. Squaring on both sides, you get x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. This is the equation of the sphere and whose center is 0, 0, 0 and the radius is r. Radius is what? Radius is r. So this is the equation of the sphere. This is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. This is the equation of the sphere whose center is 0, 0, 0 and the radius is r. In 2D, if you comes under in 2D. If you think in 2D, what will happen here? X square plus y square is equal to a square. If the radius is a units, the center is 0, 0. Point on the circle is x, y. Then x square plus y square plus x square plus y square is equal to a square. This is what we called as the circle equation. And this is what we called as the sphere equation. Now, if I want to find the sphere equation in another way, that is this is the sphere and the center of the sphere is different. If I take here alpha, beta, gamma. Okay. If the point is alpha, beta, gamma, and the point on the sphere is x, y, z, and I want to find the distance of OP here. The center is, let us take C. C is the center. Okay. Yeah, but yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, CN sir. Sir, here the C is alpha, beta, gamma, because this is the center of the alpha, beta, gamma, and is x, y, z, any point. If I want to find the equation of the sphere here, what you use your distance formula? If I use the distance formula, if the distance, this is the radius, this is the distance, as let us take the radius r, then what I get here, the distance of CP is equal to, you get under root of x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square plus y minus beta whole square plus z minus gamma whole square I will get. Okay, this is what I am going to get it. Correct? Distance formula if I am applying. And this, you know, Cp is nothing but r, radius. So squaring on both side, if I add this one, squaring on both side, if I add this one, what I am going to get here, r square is equal to, here you get as x square, a minus b whole square formula, x square plus a square plus b square. So x square plus alpha square minus 2ab plus here I am going to get here y square plus beta square minus 2ab. Okay, and here I am going to get as z square plus gamma square minus 2z gamma. This is what I am going to get it. Okay, so this is what is the equation of this one. Okay, so what I am going to do here, I am going to simplify more further this one, x square plus y square plus x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x alpha minus 2y beta minus 2z gamma, and the rest, what are the rest things are there, I'll write that all. Okay, so other thing is what you have here, you have here beta alpha square, okay, plus beta square plus gamma square, you have like this is equal to, this is equal to r square. It means this is happening how here, this equation is modifying in that way, x square plus, are you getting it? Are you getting? If I want to find the equation of the sphere whose center is alpha comma beta comma gamma and the point is x comma y comma z, and I want to find the equation of the sphere, when you have alpha beta gamma is the center and the any point p x comma y, I am deriving the formula of this one, how to find the equation of the sphere. So equation of the sphere means first I will find the distance, locus of the point on this sphere is the equation of the sphere. Okay, so how we will find? We will find the distance Cp. So distance Cp is equal to how much is? Distance Cp is equal to under root of a distance formula, x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square plus z minus gamma whole square. So and here you get as x square plus alpha square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab. And then what I did here, x square, y square, z square I separated here. And then minus 2x alpha minus 2y beta minus 2z gamma I separated here. And then what is left here, alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square I separated here is equal to what you have, r square. So this r square if I send here, this is modified into another form, and that I am going to get the equation of the sphere. Okay, so what I am going to write here, now I am going to write the equation of the sphere, okay, which is having the different center, and that is what I am going to explain you now. So if I simplify further this one, if I simplify further, this is I'm going to get as x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x alpha minus 2y beta minus 2z gamma. Okay, and this whole thing, let us consider a constant, alpha square plus beta square plus z square minus r square is equal to 0. Let us consider this is a constant here. Then if I consider that is a constant here, I get here x square plus y square plus z square minus 2. I am going to modify this one as to get the good morning everyone. Here this, to get this one, I am writing another way, minus 2x alpha I am writing as plus 2gx. I am writing this one as another using the constant plus 2gx, and this I am writing as plus 2fy. Okay, 2fy gf, and I am writing this one as 2hz, 2hz, 2gx, 2fy, 2hz. Okay, you can use, okay, you can use any constant here, not only gfh, but we always rotation is always to use the gfh. So here you have x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x alpha is there na? This we are replacing with what here, 2gx, and this is we are replacing with what here, 2fy, and this you can replace with a 2k kz also, hz or kz, you can use anything here. This is some people will use the fy, and this is can use k, or you can use h also, that is not a problem at all. So you can use like that, and the whole this constant is there, this is wholly I can keep a constant as the constant. Maybe I can keep d or c or anything, I can keep it anything. Okay, if I keep this is plus d is equal to 0, this is what we called as equation of the sphere in the space. We call this is as, you can use d, okay, you can use d or you can use c here. What I am saying here, this was the expression x square plus y square plus z square. I'll make you understand. Listen, I was finding the locus of this point on this sphere. So what we are doing, we are using the geometrical condition that is the radius, CP distance is the radius, and just we are simplified this, and we got this equation. So plus r square I send this side minus r square. So this whole thing is a number, is a constant, right? Alpha is some number, beta is some number, z is some number, r is the radius is some number. So if I add, subtract these numbers, I am going to get again a number that is a constant. So I can use c, d, anything here. I can use anything there. So what I am getting here, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 2hx, h you can use or k you can use, kz plus c is equal to 0. This is what we call as equation of the sphere. What we call this is equation of the sphere. We call this is we called as you can use c or d. Let me know, should I use c or d? You tell me whatever you will, I will use now. So now tell me, can I use c or d? Can I use c or d? I just want from you people. Should I use c and d? This is what we call as equation of the sphere. Equation of the sphere. And can I use? Now I am going to change the alpha. See here, if I compare these two things, now the center will change. Now I am going to explain you that is only center. D. Okay, fine, D. Like, so you are going to get D. So this is the equation of the sphere. Now tell me, if I center is this, na center, what I am going to get center? If you compare these both, and my center is going to get alpha is the center, beta is the center, gamma is the center, correct? The center is going to get as 2g is equal to minus 2x, and 2 just cancel out, then let 2 alpha, sorry, 2 alpha. See, coefficient of x if I compare, then 2g is equal to minus 2 alpha. So alpha is equal to what I got, minus g. Means the center is, what is the center here? Minus g. And if I compare, these we called as center of the sphere. This is what we called as the center of the sphere. This is the sphere equation. This is the equation of the sphere. Remember, this is the equation of the sphere. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 2kz plus d is equal to 0. This is the center of the, this is the equation of the sphere, whose center is minus g minus f minus k. Always remember, we don't go for this formula, this derivation. We just see only the equation of the sphere is always this one. What is this? This is the equation of the sphere. And the center of the sphere is what? Minus g minus f minus k. Minus g minus f minus k. This is the center of the sphere. And the radius of the sphere is what? Like in the circles, how we do, the same way we can do here also radius. The radius of the sphere is, the formula is, the radius of the sphere is equal to, I'm just giving you formula. Okay, radius of the sphere is equal to square root of g square plus f square plus k square. See here, the radius of the sphere will get using the formula, that is square root of g square plus f square plus k square minus d. So if this is the equation of the sphere, and the center of the sphere is minus g minus f minus k, you have to remember only these 3 points. Always remember these 3 points. Okay, this is the equation of the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 2kz plus d is equal to 0. This is the equation of the sphere. The center of the sphere is minus g minus f minus k, and the radius of the sphere is square root of g square plus f square plus k square minus d. So this is what we called as the equation of the sphere. Now you understood what is the equation of the sphere and the center and radius. Let us discuss further more. Okay, more points, and then we will solve the problems based on this previous years of JEE questions and other questions of related to sphere, tetrahedron. All these I am going to explain today. Okay, so let us discuss them. Okay, fine. Let us discuss. So is it clear? This voice is clear and you are able to see the board completely? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. So here you understood now what is the, yeah. Can I hear you all that you can, do you understand till now? Do you understood what I used here? Do you understood all? Yeah, all of you. Please let me know that you have understood or not. Yes, yes, understood, right? Yes, yes. Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. So here, is it okay, right? Yeah, that's great. That's great. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, understood. Yeah. So now you understood the equation of the sphere. Now what we do here, now I will explain the problems. Before that, I'm going to explain one more concept. Okay, plane. I have to explain plane. Na? Plane should come here. Why we are learning in this plane as sphere, right? That is also there, right? So now what I am going to do here, I am going to explain the concept and then we will move on to the questions. I'll solve many questions. Okay, if possible, today I'll finish this chapter. Otherwise, if not possible, then I take one extra class. I'll finish it in the afternoon or evening, if possible. If possible, that is, you permit that way. Plane and sphere. Now we are going to learn about plane and sphere. Okay, now we are going to learn plane and sphere. Sphere you have learned, plane already you know. Now we are learning sphere. Now you just see here, this is the sphere. So this is the sphere. Okay, this is a sphere. There is two types of things I'll explain you. Okay, one is plane can touch the sphere. One is plane can intersect the sphere. Two things can happen here. One is plane can touch the sphere, and another one is plane can intersect the sphere. So first concept I am going to explain you, plane intersecting one, and then I will explain you plane touching one. Means plane touching the sphere and plane intersecting the sphere. Suppose if a plane is intersecting the, if the plane is intersecting the sphere, if it is intersecting the sphere, I am going to send you a animated video in the group. You can check it, that you will understand more. Okay, like you can see that, you know, watermelon is there. So you have a watermelon. You are taking very sharp, like very sharp knife, very long knife, and you are cutting that. You are cutting exactly that watermelon. So like that, you assume it. You assume like that. So this is the plane. Okay, the knife is the plane, and this is the sphere. This is the sphere. Which is sphere? Watermelon is the sphere. Watermelon is the sphere, and the knife is the plane. Okay, when it is touching this one, there will be a questions based on that. So I'm going to explain you all the concept. I don't miss any concept here. Now I think shadow is coming on the board, right? Shadow is falling on the board, right? I have to see that one. Yeah, that is way. Yeah, this is the sphere you have. Yeah, this is the plane you have. So you want to find, suppose you want to find here, if this will be the center of the sphere. If you want to center of the sphere, and you do one thing. I'll tell you center of the sphere. I'll change the diagram. Okay, little bit. I'll change the diagram. Then only you will understand what is center of the sphere and plane. See here. No, no. What I am going to get? This is the sphere center. No, it's not getting proper. The previous one was better, but what happened? Just give me a minute time. Give me a minute. See here. This is the sphere. and you are cutting with a plane. I'll draw a plane up so you will understand clearly. So it a plane is cutting and the center of the sphere is this. Center of the sphere is this. Okay. The center of the sphere is this. And whenever you cut this one, you get a circle shape here. You get, whenever you cut that one, when you cut the watermelon and then you open that, you can see on the top it forms a circle shape. So here it will form, when you cutting that one, it will form a circle shape. So that is the circle shape here. This will be forming as a circle shape. This will be forming like a circle shape. That is what I want to tell you exactly. When you are cutting with a plane and then it is forms a circle shape here. This is forms a circle shape and this is the plane here. Okay. And this center is the center of the sphere. Okay. And this one is the center of the circle. Okay. This is the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle and this is the center of the sphere. Okay. So let us consider for a time being the center of the sphere is C. I am considering the center of the sphere is C. Then if you join this point to this one, I am going to get the radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere. This is the radius of the sphere. Okay. Radius of the sphere. And this one I am going to take it. This is something P. P is the center of the circle. Okay. Then if I join this one, I am going to get the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle is different. Radius of the sphere is different. That you have to understand. Okay, clearly. So let us consider this is M something and this is P something. Then capital R, yes, capital R I am considering is the radius of the sphere. So if I want to find, they will give you plane equation. What they will give you is, they will give you plane equation. What is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. They will give you the plane equation. They will give you plane equation. And then they will give you sphere also, sphere equation. They will give you sphere equation. They will give you sphere equation. They will give you what else they will give you? Sphere equation and plane equation. Sphere equation is plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 2kh 2kz plus d is equal to 0. This is the plane equation, down one plane equation. They will give you sphere equation and they will ask you to find the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. This is many times asked by JEE. JEE will ask you this type of question. What I want to make you clear is, this is the sphere. Actually, my diagram is, if it is understandable, that is great to you. So this is the sphere. This is the sphere. Okay, this is the sphere. And when I'm cutting with a plane, then I'm going to get a circle shape here. Like that circle, I'm going to form it here, circle shape. And you know the sphere. The sphere is given means you know the center of the sphere. You know the center of the sphere. What is the center of the sphere here? Minus G minus F minus K. This is the center of the sphere, you know. Okay, this is you know. And what is you know? You know the radius. Radius of the sphere is how much? Radius of the sphere is under root of G square plus F square plus K square minus D. This is the radius of the sphere. It means when a plane is cutting the sphere, and they are giving two things. One is the equation of the plane, one is the equation of the sphere, and asking to find the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. If you want to find what the things you have with you, that is important. Center is with you. So if you have a center, you can drop a perpendicular. See, you can find foot of the perpendicular on this plane. You can find the distance of this one. You can find this distance. This is perpendicular distance, means from C minus G comma minus F comma minus K. I can find perpendicular distance on the plane. On the plane, I can find the perpendicular distance on the plane. On the plane, find the perpendicular distance from this point to on this plane. I can find the perpendicular distance. So I will get the length of CP. So I will get the length of CP. Are you getting it? I'll get the length of CP. So if I am getting the length of CP, How I am going to get length of CP? Using the perpendicular distance. And the radius I am going to get how? Using the sphere. Then you can use the Pythagoras theorem. Then use the Pythagoras theorem. Then the radius of the circle will be, that is PM is equal to, using the Pythagoras theorem I am saying the Pythagoras theorem. That is, this is the right angle triangle. CM square is equal to PC square plus PM square. So I want to find PM, that is the circle, radius of the circle I have to find. So PM will be how much? So PM will be how much? PM will be, that is what I want to tell you. PM square will be CM square minus PC square. So PM will be, the length of PM will be, the length of the PM is the square root of, I am going to get the square root of, that is what the radius. So this, based on this, IIT asked questions. IIT asked question based on this concept. This concept, based on this, IIT asked the questions. So theoretical part I explained to you. Hope you understand the theoretical part. Then we will solve the problems based on this. What I want to say here, you have a equation of the plane, you have the equation of the sphere, and you want to find the center radius of the circle. You want to find the radius of the circle. So simple thing, you know the radius of the sphere, you know the perpendicular distance, that is the from this center you can drop a perpendicular distance on the plane and you can find this distance. Then you know these two distance, then the length of the circle is, the radius of the circle is square root of CM square minus PC square. Now we will solve the JEE question which is asked. So you have understood what is the equation of the plane, and you have understood how to find the radius of the circle when a plane is intersecting the sphere. When a plane is intersecting the sphere, you get discuss the questions. Okay, let's discuss the questions. Now I am going to discuss the questions based on this. Okay, when it is see here, a question is like this. What is the question here? Find the equation of the sphere having the center 1, 2, 3 and touching the plane. Now I am going to explain, if it is touching the plane, what is going to happen. That also I will explain. Okay, before that, one JEE question we will solve. Okay, touching plane also there, na? Touching plane concept also there. That is, I am going to explain you. Before that, let me solve one JEE question. The question is the radius of a circle, the radius of a circle in which the sphere, this is very important question, JEE asked this one. In sphere, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 2y minus 4z minus 19 is equal to 0 is cut by the plane x plus 2y plus 2z plus 7 is equal to 0. So this is what I am doing here. The radius of a circle, you have to find the radius of the circle in which the sphere is cut by the plane. This is asked in JEE 2003. These questions asked in olden days, not now. So very olden days they used to ask about the questions based on the sphere. So we are going to discuss all the sphere questions today now. Now I will explain all the sphere questions. Or you are getting all? Tushar, yes. Sinde, Devaraj, Aditya, Suhana, yes. Everyone understood now? Now this is what we are doing. Now look at here. Now how to solve these questions. Now I am going to explain them. Now you have a sphere. You have a sphere. Okay, that is the equation square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 2y minus 4z minus 19 is equal to 0. And this is the sphere equation. Okay, sphere equation. And what is, you have the plane, you have a plane, it is cutting this. A plane is cutting this sphere. And the plane equation is x plus 2y plus 2z plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the sphere equation. This is the plane equation. And here there is a center of the sphere. You can find the center of the sphere. What is the center of the sphere? here I can write as 2g. If you take as 2g is equal to, compare this, right? 2g is equal to the formula I gave you, na, minus g is equal to what? I minus g minus f. I told you, na, the 2g is equal to, you can use 2x. G will be minus g. That will be the formula. So I am comparing this with which one? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 2kz plus d is equal to 0. I am comparing with this. When I compare the x coefficient here, 2g is equal to 2, g is equal to 1 I got. G is 1. So g is 1. Now I am going to further f. F will be what here? 2f is equal to minus 2. F will be minus 1. Okay. And then I am going to further k. 2k is equal to, comparing the z coefficient, then k value will be minus 2. Okay, I am getting k value will be how? Minus 2. As what is the center of the circle? Minus g minus f minus k. Minus g means what here? Minus 1. Minus f means what? Minus into minus plus 1. And minus k means what here? Plus 2. So this will be the center of the sphere. This will be the center of the sphere. So center of the sphere is there. From this sphere, I can find the perpendicular drop in this. I can find the perpendicular distance. So I am going to get this. This is the center of the circle. This is the circle is forming inside. Circle is forming inside. You are to go and find the radius of the circle. The radius of the circle you have to find. Means this is you need to find. This you need to find. And this length we will find. And then this length we will find. Okay. This is what we are going to find it. Right? Are you getting everyone? Yes. Hello, everyone. Are you getting it? Yeah, understood clearly. That's good. Anaga, understood, right? So what I am doing here, I am finding the radius. I am going to find the radius. I am going to find the from the point. So what is the center here? Everyone understood center, how to take the center. Compare 2gx with this one, 2f, this one, 2k, z coefficient, y coefficient, x coefficient. Center is what? Actually, center is what? Minus g minus f minus k is the center. So that's the reason ये g1 आया था, g1 आया था, मगर मुझे चाहिए माइनस g, तो माइनस 1 रख दिया. ठीक है. So minus 1, 1, 2 is the center. Okay. Is it understood? Center understood? So radius formula is what? What is the radius formula? Square root of g square plus f square plus k square minus d. है ना? That is the formula we have. So you can use the formula. So radius will be how much? Radius is that, let us take, this is something c and this is something m, right? We took like that, right? Cm is the radius. Cm is equal to radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere, can you tell me what is the radius of the sphere here? Radius of the sphere is equal to square root of g square, 1 square plus f square plus k square minus d, right? Minus d बोले तो d क्या है इधर? So minus into minus, that is plus I am going to get. So radius will be under root of 1 square value 1 minus 1 square value 1 minus 2 square value 4 plus 19. That means how much I am getting here? 20 and 25. So the radius is 5. I got the radius is 5. So radius of the circle sphere I got 5. Radius of the sphere I got 5. Okay. And then what I have to find here now? Perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance from which point? Minus 1 comma 1 comma 2 to the perpendicular distance on the plane. From this point on the plane, perpendicular distance, what is the plane equation? 5 plus 2z plus 7 is equal to 0. How you will find perpendicular distance? The formula is ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d upon square root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is what we are going to use it, right? Everyone knows this formula. What is the distance formula? ax1 plus by1. So what is a here? If you compare this, so ax1, that is minus 1, ax1 plus by1 that is 1, and plus c ax1 plus by1 plus c is 2 z1 is 2, ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d is here 7 upon square root of b square plus c square, a square that is 1 square, b square that is 2 square, c square that is 2 square. Hope you understanding. Here this is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. A is 1, b is 2, c is 2. Center, this is x1, this is y1, this is z1. Using the formula here. So you are finding the perpendicular distance now. This is the perpendicular distance. So perpendicular distance will be CP. CP is the perpendicular distance. So CP length will be how much I am getting here? -1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 7 divided by square root of 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4, 4 plus 4, 9, square root of 9 is 3. Okay. And then this value is how much? 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 minus 1, that is 10, 10 upon 3. I am getting how much here? 10 upon 3, that is 1 plus 2 plus, I am going to get here 2 2s are 4. This is I am going to get here 4. So that is I am going to get how much? 7 plus 4, this is 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 9 plus 4, yeah, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 minus 1, 12. 12 upon 4 I am getting here. This is I am getting 12 upon 3. This is I am getting modulus 12 upon 3. This is cancel out. I am getting 4. This value is 4. So you got this is 5, this is 4. Then you have to find the radius of the circle. You know Pythagoras triplet. If this is 5, this is 4, this will be 3. So the radius of the circle is 3. The answer is 3 for JEE 2013. 2003, the answer is 3 is the answer. So radius of the circle is 3 units. Or you can use the formula here. You can use directly a formula. You can, if you are not able to get triplet, already you know, you are in 12th class, you know the triplets. So you can use that. Otherwise, you can use the formula that is I gave, that is PM is equal to square root of CM square minus PC square. So that is, you can use this distance formula. So I am going to get the radius of the circle, that is 3 units. So therefore, the radius of the circle is radius of the circle is 3 units. That's what we got it. Finally, we have completed this problem, and the answer Devraj given 3, Siddhant is given 12 by 3. 12 by 3, yes, 12 by 3, that is 4. I have explained you. Thank you so much. You have understood this problem? Yeah, understood. Radhika said understood. So all you have understood? All you have understood this? You have understood this is the JEE problem and the sphere concept. Did you understand everything? Yes, Tushar understood. Sriya Parmane understood. Yes, yes. So everyone understood, right? Yeah, that's great. Let's move on to the next concept. Same concept, sphere. I am going to do many problems on the sphere. Don't worry, we'll do the problems on the sphere. Okay, I am going to explain many questions here on the sphere. Okay, not 1-2 questions. So I'll make you clear this one. So this is used to ask in olden days, right? Very olden time they used to ask these questions. Not right now. Exactly now they are not using this. Okay, fine. Are you getting it? Okay, fine. So now I'll explain a concept, then I will move on to the questions. Okay, fine. Everyone getting it? That's great. So actually in between I'm getting calls. I'm not looking at the calls. I'm just watching your comments and I'm doing. Otherwise it will be disconnected like yesterday. Right. So before going to do a JEE question, I'm going to explain a concept. Okay. I'll explain a concept. Okay. So, and I'm going to send a animated video to you all to understand this concept clearly, more clearly. So animated things I am going to send you that will make you understand more clear what exactly I am speaking here. Okay. Now let's see here, if a sphere is touching, how to find the equation here. Let's do a problem also based on this. Okay. Let's see here. I am giving you first formula. I can give you formula first and then we can go on to the question, right? Okay, okay. So when plane touches the sphere, what happens? Equation of the plane touches the sphere, what happens? If it is cutting, we have done. When plane is touching the sphere, what happens? Touching a sphere. If a plane is touching the sphere, what happens? See here, this is the sphere. It means a ball. Okay, volleyball, football, any ball, cricket ball. This is the this is what a sphere. And there you have a plane, and a plane is there, but it is touching, not cutting. Okay, try to understand this thing. This is touching, not cutting. Okay, the plane is touching the sphere, not cutting the sphere. So okay, so cutting is what it makes, cutting inside, but it is touching. I want to say here, what? How can I tell you this? Right here. So I don't have right now to show you anything. So this is touching, huh? You understood, na? See here on the flat surface, a ball is placed. Okay, like on a table you have placed. Table is a plane. You suppose on the table you kept the ball. Okay, on the plane you on the table you are keep the ball. That is called as touching the sphere. Okay, if ball is sphere is touching the plane, means if the table is a plane, table is the plane, and the ball is a sphere, and at that time what happens here, the ball is touching the sphere. Okay, that concept I am explaining you. Now I'll write the equation, and without equation also you can do it. So the sphere equation is given like this: x square plus y square plus, sphere equation is given y square plus z square plus 2. You can use another concept also, 2ux. You can use 2gx or 2ux. You can use anything. Can I use 2gx? It will be maybe perfect. 2gx plus 2fy plus 2 2kz plus d is equal to 0. Sphere equation. Okay, this is the sphere equation, and you have a plane. Plane equation is lx plus my plus nz. Okay, and let me take sphere equation is this is ax plus by. Can I take? However, you take it whatever you want. Yeah, ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0, or lx y plus nz is equal to 0. You have a plane. I want to say this is a plane you have, and you have, this is the sphere. This is, you have a sphere, and then when they ask you what is the equation, what is the distance? Okay, plane touches plane touching a sphere. At this time, you can find the perpendicular distance from the center. You can find the center will be here. You can find the equation. This is the center of the sphere. What is the center of the sphere here? Minus g comma minus f comma minus k. From this center, I can find a perpendicular distance on this. I can find the perpendicular distance on this by using the formula. So this is the center of the sphere, and this is the foot of the perpendicular. Okay, foot of the perpendicular, or foot of the perpendicular of the plane. Okay, then if you want to find equation of the plane, equation of the sphere. Okay, no. Let me take a question, then you will understand. Let me take a question. So what they do here, they don't give the sphere equation. They don't give the sphere equation. They will give only center of the sphere. Means what I want to say, they will give you only center of the sphere, and they will give you plane equation. They will ask you to find the sphere equation. That is, this is what they will do here. In this case, whenever plane is touching a sphere, in this case, what they will give is, given data is, they will give the equation of the plane. Ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. And they will give the center of the sphere. That is minus g comma minus f comma plus k. And then they will ask you to find the equation of the sphere. How to find equation of the sphere in this case? So you need to find equation of the sphere. And they will give you what? They will give you center, and they will give you plane equation. Only these two things they will give you. How to find this? I am going to explain you. For this, what we will do here, we will find this point we will find. Okay, this point we will find. Foot of the perpendicular, we can find it. How you can find foot of the perpendicular, or you can find foot of the perpendicular? Not only that, you can find distance of this also. You can find distance. You will find. So this, when it is touching this and this distance, means the radius of the sphere will be equal. Radius of the sphere radius of the sphere will be equal to radius of sphere. Radius of the sphere will be equal to radius of the sphere will be equal to the perpendicular distance of the point on the plane. Means from the center to from C, the perpendicular distance from C to plane will both are equal. Using this concept, we will find the equation of the sphere. We are finding the equation of the sphere using this. I'll give one example, you will understand. Actually, this I want to create as a subject, but formula is there. If you want, I can give you formula also. But formula derivation is, I don't think it is required here. I don't think that is required here. I'll just explain you directly question. So I'll explain question so you will understand it clearly. Okay, I'll explain the question. I'll explain the question. If I don't think general sphere equation will help you here. So I am just going directly to the question. Okay, I'll explain the question. So question I'll explain. If it is touching, how you will get the answer. Okay. So that is, I'll explain the question. Okay. Find the equation of the sphere. Find the equation of the sphere. Equation of the sphere having center at 1, 2, 3 and touching the plane, and this is important. Okay, this is important for JEE only, not for boards. This topic is not there in the boards. X plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0. This concept which I am teaching you now, this is not there in the boards, not at all there in the boards. Only it is useful for Maharashtra CET and JEE. Maharashtra CET also we don't have. We don't have Maharashtra CET also. We have in BITS Pilani and JEE only. This is the concept only for the JEE. Only for the JEE. You have to find the equation of the sphere having the center 1, 2 and touching the plane. That is what I was explaining you on. Okay. So now I'll make you understand this. Okay. I'll make you understand this. Okay. They given the center and they will given the equation of the plane, and you have to find the equation of the plane. They given the center of the sphere. They given a plane, and you have to find the equation of the sphere. You have to find the equation of the sphere. How to find equation of the sphere? I am going to explain you. This is here. See here. I don't went to the proof of that one because that is not easy one. It's not looking easy to remember. It's looking hard to remember. So I am directly explaining the problem. Problem is easy. So this is the plane you have. Okay, this is the plane you have. A sphere is on the plane. Okay, the sphere is on the plane, but it is not cutting it. It is touching. It is touching, not cutting it. Remember this. And the center of the sphere is given. The center of the sphere is 1, 2, 3. This is given. Okay. The center of the sphere is given. The center of the sphere is given. And is saying that the equation of the plane is x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0. And is asking what is the equation of the sphere. Is the question is understood? The question is understood here. What they given, what to find. That is to understand is important. They given center of the sphere. This is the center of the sphere, and they given a plane which is touching the sphere, and you have to find the equation of the sphere. So how to find that? Actually what I want to say here, the perpendicular distance which you drop on this one and the radius both are equal. That is what I want to tell you in this concept. That's it. Okay. So if I drop a perpendicular distance on this here, on this plane from this point, if I drop it, what I am going to get? Tell me now. What I am going to get? This one. I am going to get this point, right? So let me find that. What I am going to get? Tell me. Can anybody say what is this I am going to get? This point. Formula is what? To get put up the perpendicular formula. What is the formula to the perpendicular distance formula? Perpendicular distance from 1, 2, 3. The distance is equal to, that is, let us take this point is something P, and this is C. CP is equal to AX1 plus BY1 plus CZ1 plus D upon square root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is the formula to find the perpendicular distance. So Cp is equal to what? Cp is equal to, from 1 to 3, I am dropping on this perpendicular. So this is a, b, c. And so if you find here this one, a is what here 1 and x1 is what here x1. What is x1 here? X1 is here the point. This is x1, this is y1, this is z1. So a into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into here a into, I am writing here a here. A is 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. 3 into 3 plus d. What is d here? D is 0. In this plane, d is 0 upon square root of a square plus b square plus c square, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So I am going to get this distance. How much I am going to get Cp distance? Cp distance is equal to 2 2 is a 4, 3 3 is a 9, 9 plus 1 10, 14. 14 by square root of 3 square 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 14 I am getting. Square root of 14 by root 14 by 14. I am getting as root 14 by 14, correct? I am getting as 14 by 14. So if I cancel this one, the length of Cp will be, I am going to get length of Cp will be root 14 I am going to get, okay? Because 14 can be written as root 14 into root 14, so cancel out. So the length of Cp is I got root 14, means I got the radius is root 14. I want to find the equation of the plane. So let us take a general point on the sphere. I want to find the equation of the sphere. So let us take a general point on the sphere x comma y comma z, and you know that the distance of this radius and the distance from this radius will be same. That is what I want to say. So this is the general point. If I take q, the distance of pq and the distance of cp is same. That is what I want to tell you. The c is the point that is they given 1 comma 2 comma 3. So what is the distance formula from cq? Cq distance is equal to, that is I get root 14. Root 14 I am going to get. So cq distance will be what? Square root of, that will be, I am going to get the equation of the sphere. Now what is the equation of the distance of cq? That is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus 3 whole square. This is what I am going to get. X minus 1 whole square, y minus 2 whole square, z minus 3 whole square, that is equal to root 14. Squaring on both sides, square root cancel. So the equation of the sphere is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus 3 whole square is equal to 14. So if you simplify this, you are going to get the equation of the sphere. See, at this touching concept, nobody is teaching. I explain you this touching concept is important. That is the reason I explain you this touching concept. If a sphere is touching the plane and they given the center of the sphere and how to find the equation of the sphere. This is the problem based on this. So if you simplify this, what I'm going to get here, x square plus 2gx, right? X square plus 1 plus 2x minus 2x I am getting, minus 2x. A minus b whole square formula, y square plus 4 minus 2y. Okay, 2 2 is a 4y, right? This is I am going to get 4y. So 4y I will get. Okay, x square plus 1 square minus 2x, y square plus 4 plus 2y plus z square plus 9 minus 6z is equal to 14. So the equation of the sphere will be, x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 4y minus 6z, and the numbers I am adding here. Numbers, what are the numbers? You have 4, this is 9, 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 1 14, 14 minus 14 0, 14 minus 14. This is the equation of the sphere. This is the equation of the required sphere. So whenever, so I thought the problem is easy than that concept. Okay, when I am giving the formula is, if you want, I'll send you in the group. The formula is very difficult, very lengthy formula. I don't think that is useful to you. So method is very easy. When you have to find the equation of the sphere having the center touching the plane, if it is touching the plane having the point, and you want to find the equation of the sphere, this is the way to do it. What to do here? Just you find the perpendicular distance from this point to plane. The center of the sphere is 1 2 3. From the center, find the perpendicular distance on the plane. You are going to get the radius. this radius, you can take a general point on the sphere and find this distance, and this distance is same. Using this concept, you are going to get the equation of the sphere. Understood all? Did you understood all? Did you understood all? Yes, sir. Method is easy. Yes, Vana. Yes, yes, yes. Kaustubh. Yes, yes. So method is easy. Not that. That's why I cancel that one. Method is so easy. No need to remember now. How many formulas you will remember? And I don't think that formula is useful to you. Yes, Riya. Yes, yes, Swara. Yes, Prachi. Understood, na? This problem is understood. Simple thing. This concept is there in future. In when you do in BTech, the time you will understand. This concept is there in the BTech. So a ball is touching. Suppose a ball, you are taking a ball or something. Here, a globe is taking globe or anything you are taking and placing on the table, and you want to find the equation of the Earth. Like anything, you can use this concept and you can find it. Okay, Nikita K, understood, right? Everyone understood, right? This question is understood, right? Let's go on, move to the next concept, next question that is asked in JEE. Then I'm going to explain you more questions on this concept, sphere. Okay, so I'll make you understand this sphere concept excellent. Okay, so if you are not understanding, let me know. Whenever you not understand this one, let me know. Please keep the comment on the box. If you not understand anytime, I will watch it. Whenever you are not understanding, let keep one comment there. I did not understand, so I will repeat it. Okay, fine. So here, what I am doing here, let us take one question which is asked in JEE, that we are going to take it. Then we will go on to the next question. Okay, first let's go to the question. Okay. The question is, this is asked in JEE 2007, 2005. Okay, if the planes, I want ink. Okay, if the planes, if the plane 2ax minus 3ay plus 4az plus 6 is equal to 0 passes through the midpoint of the line joining the centers of the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square, x square plus y square plus z square plus 6x minus 8y minus 2z is equal to 13, and x square plus y square plus z square minus 10x plus 4y minus 2z is equal to 8, then equal to dash, a equal to dash, then a is equal to dash. This is asked in JEE 2005, 2005 question. I will explain more questions what are there. So what is the question here? I'll explain it. See here, this is a JEE question. JEE 2006 they asked this one. 2005, if the plane, they given here, if the plane 2ax minus 3ay plus 4az, a is any number, okay, 2ax minus 3ay plus 4az plus 6 equal to 0, this is passing through the midpoint of the line joining the center of the spheres. Two spheres are there. One sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 6x minus 8y minus 2z is equal to 13. Another sphere is x square plus y square plus z square minus 10x plus 4z minus 4y minus 2z is equal to 8. Then what is the value of a? That is they're asking. Very simple question. Very simple question. Just listen here. This is asked in 2016. Very simple question. Olden days they used to ask this. So you can see this is the sphere you have. Okay, this is you have a sphere, and there is one more sphere you have. Two spheres are there. Two spheres you have. Okay, you have two spheres. Two spheres you have. Okay, ये दो spheres है. चलो ये दो sphere है. चलो you have two spheres and there is a plane in between them, है ना. ये between इसके बीच में, ये दोनों के बीच में, these are the two spheres. Okay, getting it? So these are the two spheres. Okay, these are the two spheres. These are the two spheres. And what is the question is saying? Listen that. These are the two spheres. And I think is saying that a plane is passing through midpoint. The plane, this one, is passing through the midpoint of the line joining the centers. So this is the center of the sphere. This is the center. There's two spheres you have. So in that, if you join them, you get a line segment. Where is the midpoint will be there? Is the midpoint is there. From this midpoint, a plane is passing. A plane is passing from these midpoints. From these two like a ball, or you can say any sphere. Okay, ball is nothing but a sphere only. In these two between spheres, there is a midpoint is there. From this midpoint, a plane is passing. So he's asking, this plane is equation is given. The plane equation is 2ax. They given that 2ax. What they given here? They given that 2ax minus 3ay plus 4az plus 6 is equal to 0. They given this plane. Yeah, they given this plane. And they given this sphere. Sphere equation is what they given: x square plus y square plus z square plus 6x minus 8y minus 2z minus 13 is equal to 0. And another one given x square plus y square plus z square minus 10x plus 4y minus 2z is equal to 8. I can send this is this side, minus 8 is equal to 0. So these two planes are given. These are the two planes, spheres are given. दो spheres दिया है और उसके बीच के मिड पॉइंट से, उसके बीच के मिड पॉइंट से प्लेन पास कर रहा है. ठीक है, उसके बीच के मिड पॉइंट से प्लेन पास कर रहा है. तो आपको ये a का वैल्यू पता चलना है. So you have to find the value of a here. You have to find the value of a. Are you getting it? Understanding? That's great. That's great. So this is the JEE question. Okay. Then what you do here? First we will find the center. What is the center formula? Minus g comma minus f comma minus k. This is the center formula. And here also same the center formula. So first find the center. No, you have to first find the center. Correct? You have to find the center. So how to find the center? That is, you to take it as 2g is equal to 2g. You have to find now 2g is equal to 6. Here, if you compare this one, 2g is equal to 6. If I am comparing for the first sphere, 2g is equal to 6. So g is equal to 3. Okay. 2f is equal to minus 8. 2f is equal to minus 8. F is equal to minus 4. 2k is equal to what? 2k is equal to minus 2. And 2k is equal to minus 2. So k is equal to minus 1. So according to this formula, minus g minus f minus k. This is the center I got. Now I am finding the same center for this one. So 2g is equal to minus 10. G is equal to minus 5. 2f is equal to 4. Are you getting it? 2f is equal to, yes. 2f is equal to 4 and f is equal to 2 here. And you have another one, 2h is equal to 2k, right? 2k is equal to minus 2. 2k is equal to minus 2. K is equal to minus 1. Yes. So I am getting here the center, correct? Anaga, yes. A is equal to minus 2, correct, Anaga? Right. Yes. So what I am going to get here, this center is 5 comma minus 2 comma 1. Okay. The center is I am getting 5 comma 2 comma 1. So the midpoint of this will be, the midpoint of these two will be x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 comma z1 plus z2 by 2. Are you getting it? Minus 3 plus 5, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma, this formula to be applied. So what I do here, minus 3 plus 5 divided by 2, 4 plus minus 2 divided by 2, 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So I am going to get the center, midpoint. I am going to get the midpoint, sorry. Center already we got. So midpoint is what here? This is I'm going to get 1, and this is I'm going to get 1, and this is I'm going to get 1. So 1 1 1 1 1 is the 1 1 1 is the midpoint. So this point is passing, this point is lying on this plane. So substitute wherever x, y, z is there, 1 1 1. So you are going to get the value of a. So what do you do here? We will substitute 1 1 1 in this plane equation. You substitute in the plane. So what I get here, 2a into 1 minus 3a into 1 plus 4a into 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. So I am going to get the a value here. 2a, this is 4a plus 2a, that is 6a, 6a minus 3a, that is 3a. I am going to get here 3a plus 6 is equal to 0. Getting it, I am going to get 3a equal to minus 2. Already Nikita, K, Anaga, they answered it. So a is equal to minus 2 is the answer. Hope you understand this one. Yeah, you are understood this one. You all understood, right? So that is a is equal to minus 2 is the answer. Is it the live is clear? Yes, yes. So let question. You understand here? Let me go to the next question. Yeah, Anaga, understood. Kaustubh, understood. Very good, very good. Suhana, yes, understood. That's great. Yes, let's move on to the next questions here. Okay, everyone. Yes, yes. Madhura, understood. That's good. Dheeraj, understood. That's good. Yes, Kaustubh. Yeah. Let's go to the next question. All of you. Let's go to. So I will give time now. I'll give a question. I'll give a time, and now you will find the solution for this question. Okay. Now I'm going to give a question. Let me see how many of you will be answer this. Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah. So this question, very simple question. I'm giving you. Question is here. Two questions I'll give you. Yeah. I'll give two questions. One first. Find the equation. Find the equation of the sphere. If it touches, if it is touches the plane dot r dot 2i minus 2j minus k is equal to 0, and the position vector of its center is 3i plus 6j minus k is 4k minus 4k. I'm asking this question, everyone. Yeah, can you do this one? I already explained you touching condition. A sphere touching a table, right? I explain you a sphere is touching a table. You know, the sphere and a ball is touching this one. So that is what we call this condition, correct? Find the equation of the sphere. You're saying that find the equation of the sphere if touches the plane. Okay, this is the plane equation they given in vector form, and the position vector of its center is given, that is 3i cap minus 4k cap. So actually this question why I gave here, if in exam they will ask you different model in vector form also. You are finding always in Cartesian form, na? Cartesian form is easiest form. So if you find in this way, that will be better. So can you answer me here? Nikita K is typing. Okay. So Ajit understood, right? Swara. Yes. So can you find this one? Can you find this? What up? Can you find? I should explain. Let me know. Should I explain? Should I explain, or you will find? Is it disconnected or nobody is answering? Sir, should I explain? The question, you will try or should I explain? Let me know. Can I give homework today about this? This one can give in homework. Yeah, nobody is typing anything. Can you answer? Is it live is disconnected? Nobody answer. No, na? Yeah. Explain. This is here. This R, I can use what here dot product. Na? R is a vector that is x I cap plus y j cap. I'll explain you. Y j cap plus z k cap. Okay, thus k cap into 2i minus 2j minus k cap. And I'll give you this in vector equation. Na? I will convert into a Cartesian equation. Dot product you do it. Dot product you do it. So what are you going to get? 2 into x, 2x minus 2 into y, minus 2y minus 2 into minus 1 into z, minus z is equal to 0. So this is what the equation of the plane. Okay, this is what the equation of the plane. Okay, you're getting it. So this is the equation of the plane. Okay, the dot of this is the equation of the plane. The equation of the plane, correct? So this is what you have, equation of the plane. R dot A is equal to 0. This form is there. D is not there here. D is not there. So this is the equation of the plane. What is the center? Can you tell me what is the center? Center, saying simply here, this is the, what is given, I tell you. This is 2x minus 2y minus z is the sphere center. Sphere center is given, is touching, okay? This is not cutting, this is touching. Okay, the center of the sphere is given. The center of the sphere is given. Position vector, they given 3 comma 6 comma minus 4. They given this one. And you have to find the equation of the plane. Correct? No, sir. No, sir, it's not. Okay, Aishwarya, no. Prachi, no. Okay, so you can do this is equation of the sphere. You can find this. Now you can find. Actually, I want to make you understand when they give a like this, how to find. That's it. This question only for that purpose I kept. So you can find the equation. You can find distance. First, what here? Perpendicular. So you will find the perpendicular distance. This is the radius we will equate. That is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square plus z plus 4 whole square is equal to. You will find this distance that you will write and you will solve it. The square root you do it and you will find this. You will get the equation of the plane. I am going to give the answer. Check your answer is correct or not. 9x square plus 9y square plus 9z square minus 54x minus 108y plus 72z plus 555 is equal to 0. This is the answer. You can do this one. I hope you can do this one as a homework. You can complete it this. Yes. Nikita K answer is na. Yes, yes. Nikita, you are right. Yes. Is it correct, sir? Yes, yes. It is correct, Nikita. Good job. Good. You did good one. Tanishka say, yeah, got it the same. Yeah. So yeah, you got the same, right? Just you have a point, you have a plane, just you can find the distance and you just use it. This you are going to get the equation of the plane. That's good. Everyone, you understood this. Now let's go on to the next question. And you have a tetrahedron, this next concept, and pyramid. Just pyramid is not required. Tetrahedron is there. Pyramid is not required. So let's see. There is here still one half an hour class is left to remain this chapter. I will close this chapter, but before that, I am going to give you one more question. Solve it, and if you have this chemistry class is at 10 o'clock, right? And I will leave you 10 or 15 minutes before. Okay. Okay. This question I'll stop this streaming 15 minutes before the 10. Okay. The question is find the equation of the sphere. Find the equation of the sphere. Find the equation of the sphere passing through the points 3 comma 0 comma 0 0 comma minus 1 comma 0 0 comma 0 comma minus 2 and whose center whose center lies on the plane 3x plus 2y plus 4z is equal to 1. This is the last question for this concept. So this is the last question for this concept. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to give one more question also. That is, one more question is homework to you all. I'm going to give one more question on the sphere. Then we'll finish this sphere concept. This will be the end of this topic. And tetrahedron, sorry, pyramid, angle I have to find. I'll explain you. So I'll explain that. So this is what you have. Find the equation of the sphere. 3 comma 0 comma 0 0 comma minus 1 comma 0 0 comma 0 comma minus 2, and whose center lies on the plane. Means sphere is there, sphere center lying on this plane, and it is passing through these points. You have to find the equation of the sphere. That is what you have to do it. Yes, yes, sir. No, here now, will you do? I should explain it. Will you do this problem? I should explain. That's up to you. Very simple question. This is a simple question, correct? Very simple question. And it is important question and simple question. What is the question? Find the equation of the sphere passing through the points. I'll explain you. No? I'll tell you one graph. You will understand. एक है ना, एक sphere है. This is the sphere. And you have a plane. Okay, you have a plane. You have a plane. Okay, the sphere, the center of the sphere is saying that find the equation of the sphere passing through the points. So sphere is passing these points 3 comma 0 comma 0, 0 comma minus 1 comma 0, and another one is here 0 comma 0 comma minus 2. The sphere is passing through these 3 points. And what they say, अच्छा इसका सेंटर जो स्फीयर का सेंटर है ना, स्फीयर का सेंटर लाइंग ऑन दिस प्लेन, which is the plane here, 3x plus 2y plus 4z is equal to 1. Now you have to find the equation of the sphere. That is what you have to do. So generally, what is the equation of the sphere? Let us take equation of the sphere is y square plus z square plus 2gx. I'll give you method. You can solve it. Okay. Plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 2kz plus d is equal to 0. This is the equation of the sphere. Are you getting it? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2gx plus 2z. Yes, Swana, understood. That's good. 2kz plus d is equal to 0. This is what we have. This is what we have, sphere. Okay, this is the sphere. Okay, this is the sphere. Okay, this is the sphere. You need to find this one. Means you have to find the g value, f value, k value, d value. Now you have to find what values? F value, k value, d value. These are the 4 things you have to find. Okay, and then what is they said? This sphere is passing through which point? 3 0 0 0 0 minus 2 0 minus 1 0. So what you do here? Substitute this point in this, you get one equation. Substitute this point in this, you get one equation. Substitute, you get one equation. What is the center here? What is the center? Minus g as per this one. What is the center? Minus g minus f minus k. Substitute in this plane, you get one equation. Means totally you will get 4 equations. If you solve these 4 equations, you will get these 4 constant values. That is your final. Are you getting it? What I Prachi? Yes, sir. Understood. Prachi, good. Swan, understood. That's good. Prachi, understood, right? So here, what I want to say here, you want to find this equation of the plane. What you do here? 3 comma 0 comma 0. Substitute in 1. Substitute in 1. I substitute in 1. So what I'm getting? 0 square plus 0 square plus गया. ये तो भी 0 है, ये भी 0 है, ये भी 0 है, ये भी 0 है, सब 0 है ना यार? No. Yeah, 3 comma, right? 3 substitute करना. 3 square value 9, and this will be 0. That will be 0. This will be 0. And 3 value is 3 2 is 6. 6g. 6 or f0. This 0. This z0 plus D. Okay, plus D is equal to 0. So what I am getting here, 6G plus D is equal to minus 9. And this is the equation number. Let us take equation number 2. So now what I am doing here, now I will substitute 0 minus 2 in 1, substitute in 1. So 0, 0, z square, that is 4. Z square is 4. And if I substitute 0, 0, z is minus 2, minus into minus 4k. Minus 4k plus d is equal to 0. That means I am going to get how much? Minus g is equal to, this is equation number 3. Okay. Now another equation I'll get 4 equations. So 0, I have to substitute 0 comma minus 1 comma 0 in 1. Okay. If I substitute in 1, what I am going to get here? If I substitute in 1, this is 0 and minus 1 square is 1 and that will be 0. Okay. This will be minus 2f. I'll get, yes, 2f na, 2f. Minus 2f I'll get, and then plus d I'll get, correct? Right? Plus d, right? Right here. So 0, yes, 0, 0, minus 1 square 1 and 2f as a plus d is equal to 0. Okay. It means I am getting minus 2 is equal to minus. This is equation number 4. So you got equation 2, 3, 4 and 1 is there. Okay. 1 is not useful now. Now what you do here, again this minus g minus f, minus g minus f minus k satisfies the plane equation. Substitute in plane, substitute in plane equation. So what you get here, if I substitute here in the place of x, so minus 3g, f place is minus 2f minus 4k is equal to 1. This is what I am going to get. This is equation number 5. So what we will do here, we will solve 2, 4, 5 equations. You have to solve, what are the equations? You have to solve second, third, fourth, fifth. You have to solve these 3 equations. Okay. These 4 equations you can solve. So you will get g value, f value, k value, d value. So you will get these values. That will be substituting in this, then you will get the equation of the sphere. Yes, Tanishka Shah. Yeah, Tanishka, I'll check your answer. Tanishka said some answer is what? Yes, Tanishka, you are correct. 6x square plus 6y square plus 6z square minus 16x plus minus 16x plus 9z minus 6 equal to 0. Yes, Tanishka, your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. So are you getting it now? You can do this simply. You can simplify this one, or should I simplify this? You tell me. Actually, your time is over. So that is what I that is the reason whether you will simplify or I need to simplify this. Can you tell me everywhere? Can you tell me everybody? So you will do it this simplification. Simple say that ये दोनों आपको solve करे तो D जाएगा, D तो जाएगा, तो आपको क्या आएगा? G में K में आएगा. अच्छा, और इसमें ये ऐसा है ना, इस करो, इसको भी देखो, ये फिफ्थ वाला को भी देखो, ये फिफ्थ, सी व्हाट यू डू हियर, द सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, ये तीनों को सिंप्लीफाई करो, you will get the g value, f value, k value, d value. You substitute in this, then that will be the equation of the plane. Aishwarya, we will solve it, sir. That's good. So stream, because you have a chemistry lecture at 10 o'clock, so you maybe feel bored. Now you have to see here, one more half an hour class is there, half an hour, 30 minutes class is there. If I take 30 minutes more, this chapter will be end. This chapter will be complete in 30 minutes. More 30 minutes class I needed, and tomorrow I will start probability. Probability I am going to start. Okay, and this month you will be having two classes. One is probability, one is sequence and series. 2 chapters I will run. Okay, every day 2 chapters will run, and that is take hardly 10 to 15 days. 10 days it will be completing both chapters. Both chapters are simple chapters, easy chapters. So I am going to start probability tomorrow, and in 2-3 days I am going to start sequence and series also. Sequence series And probability, I'm going to start 2 chapters in this month. Now I'm going to start it. I think in 2-3 days. Tomorrow I will start probability. Okay. And after 2 days, after 2 to 3 days, consider a Saturday or like that. Otherwise, from Monday, I'll start sequence and series. Both chapters will be run at a time. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Nikita K, Sarita Patil, very good. Tanishka. So those who are there in live, say bye and go. So we will stop this one. Okay, 30 minutes more lecture is there. Tomorrow we will finish the 30 minutes lecture. If you are willing, you can keep in the right. You can send me in the group. I'll take more half an hour lecture at any time if you wish. Then I will finish it. Or tomorrow I will finish it. I'll start probability. Bye, sir. Bye, bye. Nikita M. Bye, bye. You understood everyone today's lecture. You understood. Madhura, very good. You are attending the class. That's great. Ajit, Radhika, very good, very good. Prachi, very good. You are attending and you are doing very well. Sriya, good. Suhana, good. Sarita Patil, good. Bye. Anaga, yes, bye, bye. So understood everyone. Today's lecture you understood. So tomorrow we are going to start probability. Probability. Nikita K, understood. Good. Aishwarya, yes, bye. Madhura, bye. Yeah. Everyone, take care. Bye bye. We'll stop this. Yes. Aryan Salunke, bye. Yes. Any other thing? Any other are left? Yes. Let me see how many are there at the end of the live. Let me see that. How many are there? Let me see that. So, any more? Yeah. Take care, everyone. Bye. Yeah. Yeah, Harsh Patil, you came right now, or you are there in beginning? Very good. Harsh Patil is very good. Yeah, he's doing well. Sheetal Patil, very good. Yeah, Sheetal Patil means who? Sheetal Patil. May I know what is your name? Sheetal Patil means Prasanna Patil. Tanishka Bai. Sheetal Patil. Sweta. Okay, Sweta. Good, good. Okay, Sweta. Yes, yes. So you understood today's lecture? Yeah. Bye, everyone. Yes, sir. Everyone, now hope all you said bye. Now I can leave. Yes. Yes, yes. Bye. Bye, everyone.